A Navy lieutenant accused of failing to report alleged violations of the law of war plans to plead not guilty to that charge and others. Lieutenant Jacob Portier was in military court today, arraigned on those charges.
Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin was in the courtroom, and Adam, the lieutenant, did not enter a plea.
Yeah, unlike courts for you and I, he didn't have to, at least not at this stage. He will eventually, and his attorney was very adamant he will plead not guilty. But until other procedural things are worked out, there's no need. What I can tell you, with or without a plea, his case is moving forward.
He wears the Combat V with a Bronze Star. He would probably go back tomorrow to serve our country in any war theater. He's very proud of what he does.
This is as close as we came to catching a glimpse of Lieutenant Jacob Portier outside of the military courthouse. His lawyer talking to us in front of a microphone. The lieutenant was present in front of the judge, but no cameras, cell phones, computers, or anything electronic was allowed inside. Most of the hearing was procedural. The lieutenant answered yes, sir, to most questions, but did not enter a plea. His attorney says he's innocent.
He'll be pleading not guilty because he's innocent. He did not commit any crimes.
Portier is accused of conducting a re-enlistment ceremony next to a human corpse, failing to report an alleged war crime, and impeding the investigation of Special Operations Chief Edward Gallagher, among other things. Portier was the officer in charge of Gallagher's platoon during the deployment. Gallagher has been charged with premeditated murder in the May 2017 stabbing death of an Islamic State fighter who'd been detained near Mosul, Iraq. He's also accused of shooting at Iraqi civilians on several occasions. Gallagher pleaded not guilty.
The re-enlistment ceremony was done on the battlefield. It was not illegal, and it wasn't disgraceful at all. It was, and I think that'll come out through the photos and through the testimony of all the witnesses.
And for all the charges, they feel that he is not guilty. Navy officials couldn't comment, but say there is an interest in keeping the case public. Court-martial works a little bit different than regular courts that we're used to. If it does go to trial, he can choose a trial by judge or military members. If military members, the jury will be made up of 8 people, and it only takes 3/4 of the jury to convict. Not everyone. They'll be back in court next week. Adam Rakusin, 10 News.